We're talking about something that has transformed my weight loss journey: flax seeds. These tiny seeds are often overlooked, but trust me, they're packed with so many benefits. If you're a working woman, juggling your job, home, and health, then you know how tough it is to find time to work out. But don't worry, flax seeds could be your perfect solution to achieve weight loss even with a tight schedule. You might be wondering, how exactly does this little seed help with weight loss? Or how should I use it to see results? Don't worry, I'll break everything down for you, step by step. So, grab a cup of tea and let's dive in. First, let's talk about why flax seeds are so magical for weight loss. These seeds are loaded with fiber, both soluble and insoluble. When you consume fiber, it helps you stay full for longer periods, reducing those annoying hunger cravings that often lead to overeating. But that's not all. Flax seeds also contain lignans, which speed up your metabolism and help detoxify your body. That means more fat burning and a healthier gut. So, adding flax seeds to your diet could mean you eat less and burn more fat, all while improving your digestion. It's like a magic trick for your weight loss. Think about it. Simply incorporating these into your daily meals could give you that extra boost you need. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but how do I use them? Don't worry. I've got you covered with 3 simple ways you can start using flax seeds today. 1. Morning boost. Start your day with 1 teaspoon of ground flax seeds mixed into a glass of warm water. This helps to cleanse your digestive system first thing in the morning and kickstart your metabolism for the day. Now, here's an important tip. Don't let the mixture sit for too long. Drink it while it's still fresh. Second, add to smoothies or yogurt. If you're always on the go, here's another quick option. You can mix flax seeds into your smoothie or even mix them into yogurt. This is a delicious way to get your daily dose without taking some extra time. Third, mix with your meals. Finally, you can easily add ground flax seeds to your meals. Sprinkle them on your salad, oatmeal, or even in soups. The great thing about flax seeds is that they're versatile. So, you can sneak them into almost anything. Just 1 teaspoon a day is all you need to see the magic start working. Now, I know all of this sounds great on paper, but I want to share my real life experience with flax seeds. When I first started adding flax seeds to my routine, I was doubtful too. But within just a month, I noticed I was feeling fuller after meals and I started reducing fat, especially around my belly. To be specific, in just 30 days I lost 5 pounds without any intense workouts. I simply adjusted my meals and added flax seeds daily. It was like my body started to work more efficiently and I felt lighter, more energetic, and even my skin looked better. You've made it this far. So now it's time for the bonus tip I promised. If you want to accelerate your weight loss journey even further, here's something amazing. Combine flax seeds with chia seeds. Chia seeds are another superfood that helps with weight loss. And when paired with flax seeds, they work like a power duo. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3s and help reduce inflammation, so they not only aid in weight loss, but improve your overall health too. Try mixing both seeds into your smoothies or morning drinks, and you'll start seeing results even faster. Now, before we wrap things up, let me address a few common questions. You might be wondering, can everyone consume flax seeds? Well, if you have thyroid issues or if you're pregnant, it's best to avoid them. And always remember to drink plenty of water, about 3 to 4 liters a day, when you consume flax seeds to help your body process them better. So be mindful of these small but important details. So, let's quickly recap. Flex seeds are a simple, affordable and effective way to help you lose weight without spending hours in the gym. They are packed with fiber, help control hunger, boost metabolism and improve digestion. Start with just 1 teaspoon of ground flex seeds each day. Add them to your water, smoothies or meals and watch the magic happen. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more health tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.